Hello everyone, welcome to Jackleopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the no sound issue in your Windows 11 computer. Now the first thing you need to do is go to start and then click on settings. If you don't see settings here, just search for settings, and then once you find it, click on it. Now from here, click on sound, and here you will see the list of your speakers or headphones, everything. Now in my case I have these speakers that is set to default, but if you have headphones or anything else, those will show up here as well, and you need to select the default one. So if you are going to use headphones, then select headphones, and if you're going to use the speakers, you're going to select the speakers. Now once you're done from here, just close this window and then go to start again, and then search for control panel. The best match should come up as control panel. Click on it. Now from here, click on hardware and sound, and then click on sound. Now from here, you need to double click on the speaker or headphones that you are using, and then this window will open up. Now from here, go to enhancements. Now if you have any enhancements enabled, then what you have to do is disable all of them and then click on apply, and then click on OK. And one other thing that you can do from here is double click on it again and then go to levels and make sure the level is all the way up and this icon is blue, not red like that. And after that, you can just click on OK and then click on OK again. Now one last thing that we are going to do is go to start again and then search for device manager, and then click on device manager. Now from here, select audio inputs and outputs and then double click on it, and that will expand all the audio inputs and output devices. Now from here, select the speaker or headphone that you are having troubles with and then double click on it, and then this window will open up. Now from here, go to the drivers tab and then click on uninstall device, and after that all you need to do is just restart your computer and the new driver will be installed for this device, and hopefully that will fix the issue. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.